So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to align an image here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up, simply just add an image to your design. So for this example right here, I just want to use a photo. How about a photo of, by example, a nice little drink? This could be iced tea, whatever the case it may be. This is my photo. Now, if you want to align the photo to the left, for example, to the top left, whatever the case may be, press on the photo, then press on position and go to where it says align to page. You can align it to the top, you can align it to the middle, the bottom. You can go to the top left if you want, you can go to the bottom right if you want, whatever the case may be. You can kind of align it whatever which way and kind of play around with it that way. So for example, if you think your photo is a little bit off center and you want to move it to the center to reset it, that's how you guys can do it. It's right in front of you. It's very simple, but that is how to do it. So very straightforward, very simple. That is how to align an image to your page. I guess with the page here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.